Welcome to section 4.4b, Understanding the Slope of a Line. Our objective today is I can use m equals rise over run to find the slope of a line from its graph. So, the slope of a line is m equals rise over run. Remember, the rise is the vertical change, the up and down change, and the run is the horizontal change between any 2 points on the line. M will be some ratio of the rise over the run. So our strategy then is to locate any 2 points on the line. We want to choose some easy points, sketch the triangle from the left point to the right point, count the rise and the run on the legs of the triangle, and use the ratio of the rise and the run to find the slope. Okay, so first thing we want to do is locate 2 points on our line. Let's choose some easy ones. So I'm going to choose this one right here. Okay, this point, by the way, is 0 in our x, negative 1 in our y direction. Okay, let's choose another easy point. Hey, this one looks pretty close and easy. This is the point 1 in our x direction, 1 in our y direction. Okay, they're easy points because they land directly on the grid. If they don't land directly on the grid, then we have to estimate and use fractions, and we may not get the answer we want. So then what I'm going to do is sketch the triangle from the left point to the right point. So I'm going to go like this. Okay, this side of the triangle has 1, 2 there, and this side of the triangle is only going 1. So our formula is we want to check the rise. Remember, the rise is how we're going up, so I'm going up 2. And my run, I'm going from the left to the right, so I only go 1 from the left to the right. Which means that when I simplify this, I'll get 2. So my slope of this line is 2. Okay, here's a couple for you to try. Go ahead and pause the video and try them on your own. Okay, now that you've had a chance to try them on your own, let's do them together. So first thing I want to do is choose 2 easy points. Here's one, here's one. I chose these points because remember they lined up on the grid instead of me having to hunt for fractions. So I want to rise and I want to run and make that triangle. So what did I find? Well, my rise is 1, 2, 3, and my run is 2, which means that I have my 3 over 2, and I can't simplify that anymore, so that's my slope for this one on the left. And on the right, we have, let's pick 2 easy points. I'm going to choose this point, 0, negative 1, and this point, 1, negative 3. And we'll go that way. So remember, this time my rise is negative 2, and my run is 1. So negative 2 over 1 gives me a negative 2 slope. Okay. So how about a slope of a horizontal line? Let's take a look at that. So my slope of my horizontal line, let's pick 2 points and let's try and draw our triangle. Well, I have 1 point here. Let's choose the point next to it. So how much am I rising and how much am I running? Well, I'm running 1, right? But I'm not rising at all. I'm not rising at all. I'm rising 0. So this means that I have a 0 slope because I'm not rising at all. I'm just running from left to right, which isn't always the best. But we have a slope of 0. Okay, find the slope of this line, and I'll see in a second. Okay, let's take a look here. I'm going to choose 2 points. I'm going to choose the point here. I'm going to choose the point here, and let's see, how are we rising? Well, we're not rising at all. So we're rising 0. How are we running? 1, 2, 3. Well, 0 over 3 is still 0, which means this line has a slope of 0. In fact, any horizontal line has a slope of 0. So how about a vertical line? How about a vertical line? Well, let's take a look at it. I'm going to choose this point right here at 3, 0. And then I'll choose this point at 3, 2. Let's see, how are we running? Well, we're not running at all, but we are rising. How are we rising? 1, 2. Well, we go up 2. So we have this 2 over 0 ratio, which makes me very uncomfortable, right? Because we're dividing by 0, which is a big frowny face. It's a big sad face. So our slope is undefined. Undefined. Our slope is undefined since we can't find anything that's divided by 0. It's undefined. Here's one for you to try. Okay, now that you've had a chance to try that, let's do it together. So I'm going to choose this point right here and this point right here. And my rise is 1. I'm going up 1. And my run, I'm running 0. I'm not going anywhere to the right. I can't go anywhere. So my rise is 0, which is 1 over 0, which is sad face, and okay, you don't have to write sad face, but it is sad face. And it's undefined. It's undefined. Okay, so in summary, positive slopes go this direction, right? They start down here and they go up some way as they go from the left to the right. Negative slopes go down as we go from the left to the right. 0 slopes are horizontal and undefined slopes are vertical. So let's take it to the next level. Let's find the slope from a line. In the next video, we're going to locate 2 points on the line. We're going to label one point number 1 and the other point number 2. And we're going to use the ratio of rise and run to find the slope. So I'll see you in the next video.